Hello guys, so in this video we'll be going through how to bind your public address to your core app. Now if you check my previous video when I went through the Medium article with you guys, that was one of the conditions for the withdrawal of your core coins. Now if you are one of the qualified account, and the keyword here is qualified, you might have seen that there's currently an option for you to bind your withdrawal address to your core app, and in this video we're going through that. Now once you open your app, if you click on this wallet button over here, you can just use that to enter your assets section, and then once you enter your assets section, you click on your core and you see that there's an option for you to link your withdrawal address, and that is what we'll be doing. But before we do that, there are a few things that you have to do before you link this, otherwise you have errors. And take note that these are very key moments, and whatever you do, you have to make sure that you are very careful. Okay, now first of all, if you check my previous videos, I went through how to add your country and then how to do the robot verification. Now one thing that a lot of miners don't understand is that there's a difference between your login password and your asset password. Now this asset password, you have to set this before you bind your public address to your the Satoshi app. Okay, and the asset password has to be different from your login password, so take note of that. So before you start binding your public address to your Satoshi app, you have to come to this section and then choose your asset password. Now I've already set mine a long time ago, but if you've not set yours, if you come here, you have an option. You only have the options of these two boxes, the new asset password, and then you confirm it. Now if you've already set one and you want to change it, this is where you come. You enter the old password and then enter the new one and then confirm. Okay, so this is where you come to first, and then before that, so as I mentioned, make sure that you've ticked all these boxes and then also done the robot verification as well. So after that, then we then head over to the asset section to start the process of binding your public address. Now once you are here, you click on link withdraw address. Okay, now they've indicated a whole lot of information here that you have to follow, and it's very important. Okay, take note that as indicated here, you can link and change your wallet address only 3 times before your lock registration. So please, you have to make sure that you take care of your private key and their mimic phrase to avoid loss of funds. And you see, they highlighted this 3 good times, and that is very important. Don't withdraw your asset to an exchange. It's very important that you take note of this. Don't withdraw to any exchange, although exchanges are accepting deposits currently, but don't withdraw your asset directly to an exchange. So what it means here is that you have to first withdraw to a wallet at MetaMask in particular. So you should have a MetaMask address that you withdraw to, and then later on you can then send it from the MetaMask to any exchange of your choice. Don't withdraw directly to an exchange. Okay, so these are all the information. Once you are here, you can actually go through all those information, but by this video I'll be making it easier for you. Now this is where I am, so I'll copy my public address from MetaMask, and then I'll come and put it in the withdraw address section, and then I'll enter the asset password that I've already set with you guys before. So I just switch to my MetaMask wallet, where I'll be copying my public address to link it to my Satoshi app. Now once you are on your MetaMask, your public address is directly over here, and before you copy this, make sure that you have added Satoshi mainnet to your MetaMask. Okay, so make sure that over here is indicated core. Now if you don't know how to add that, check my previous video on this project. I did a tutorial on how to add mainnet to your MetaMask very easily. It takes you less than a minute, so you can check that one out. So over here, once you are here, you copy your public address which I indicated earlier on, and then head back to the Satoshi app. So back at the app, you click on this again, and then in this box you paste the address you copied, your public address from MetaMask. Okay, and once again, please don't use address from an exchange. Okay, so after that you enter your asset password which we set earlier on. So let me quickly do that. So I just entered my asset password. So after entering it, you hit this, and then this confirmation message comes, and then you have to confirm. So you have to check your email for the verification that they will send. Okay, so my email has just arrived, so I'll copy it and then I'll come and paste it here. So let's quickly do that. So my verification code is this, and then I'll confirm it, and you do the verification as well. I'm not a robot verification if this comes up. Okay guys, so I just completed the facial verification to add my wallet address, and then I had a success message that came and then briefly disappeared. But if you follow this process and then you confirm your wallet and you get the success message, you realize that if you get back to the core section, the link withdraw address is still highlighted, but don't add again. Okay, wait for the update that will come. Okay, because once you get the success message, it indicates that it means that the wallet that you used have been added, and once the app is updated, you will see that reflect. So I will treat you to be patient. If you followed and then you get the success message, I've seen some people complaining on Twitter that they've completed the verification and still highlighted. Okay, so be patient, wait until the app is updated, and then you will see all those details show up. So that is the how to bind your public address. Before you start this, make sure that you are ready for the facial verification, and of course your asset password, and then you should be able to access the email address you use during registration as well. So guys, if you've not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. I will give you more updates and the tutorials as it comes. The way the updates are coming these days concerning Satoshi and then the listings, don't blink, anything can happen within the shortest possible period, and I'll be here to update you guys. So thanks for watching guys, see you soon.